Hello, I'm Lillian and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the highly requested liquid yogurt, also known as drinking or drinkable yogurt. If you like your yogurt thick and creamy, feel free to check out my first video here. You'll surely enjoy it. The list of ingredients can be found on the description bar below. You also see each ingredient and quantity used as you watch the video. So let's get down to it. First, we'll start out by pouring 2 cups of lukewarm water into a saucepan and mix in 6 tablespoonfuls of milk powder. If you're making use of whole milk, simply pour 2 cups of that into a saucepan. We'll also be adding about 2 tablespoonfuls of sugar or any sweetener of choice, but feel free to omit it if you want a natural yogurt. We'll let the milk heat up until it's just about to boil. The boiling helps to sterilize the milk and kill any harmful pathogen that might be hidden in the milk. We'll take it out of the heat and let it cool to about 44 degrees centigrade, hot enough that you can dip a finger into it without getting burnt. The next step is to mix in 4 tablespoonfuls of natural yogurt until well combined. Carefully pour the mixture into a container of choice and seal tightly, but just for convenience, I chose to leave mine in the pot today. I also took an extra step and covered it with a huge warm blanket. You can also seal with a clean plastic bag or foil paper. Finally, we'll place anywhere around your house that gets a little heat or in a warm oven or a food or thermoflask, because this yogurt needs to stay pretty warm and undisturbed for 6 hours so that it can set properly, but don't expose it to a high heat or it will turn out really grainy. After about 6 to 8 hours, you'll have a slightly thick but runny yogurt. All you need to do is stir it properly to make it as runny as the consistency you desire. Now all you need to do is serve and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and also hit on that bell sign so you get notified when new recipes like this are uploaded. And also don't forget to share with your friends. Sharing is caring. See you in the next video. Bye bye.